Sometimes a picture or some other part of your screen looks too boxish. Look at all those corners. Ugh. Wouldn't it be better if that picture was a circle, like this? There's a widget that can clip its children to round circles and ovals, and it's called ClipOval. Just take any widget, like the image here, and wrap it with a ClipOval. By default, ClipOval will take on the child's size, so this tall picture will be clipped by a tall oval. If the picture was wide, the resulting oval would also be wide. When the child is a square, then the oval will become a circle, because an oval that has the same width and height is a circle. But you don't need to fiddle with the size of the child in order to change the shape of the oval. Just add a custom clipper, and now you can customize the size to your heart's desire. You must implement the clipper as a new class that extends custom clipper of rect and implements two methods, getClip and shouldReclip. The getClip method takes the size of the child and returns the rect into which Flutter will draw the oval. You can place the rect anywhere and make it any size. For example, here we're putting the oval to the top left corner of the child and limiting its width to 200 and height to 100 pixels regardless of the size of the child. The other method of custom clipper, shouldReclip, just tells Flutter whether it must perform the clipping again given the previous state of the clipper. As a performance optimization, return false if you're sure that the state of the clipper would result in the same clip. That's it for ClipOval. Just remember, this is Flutter and you have control of every pixel on every frame. Nothing stops you from animating ClipOval over time for interesting effects. To learn more about ClipOval and all the other widgets, visit flutter.dev.